everyone! Hope you're doing well! Today I'm here with new and spicy recipe. Here are the ingredients. All these ingredients we'll use in this recipe. Mash the potato properly. We will add chopped onion, chopped coriander, chopped green chili, crushed coriander, crushed zira, salt, turmeric, and red chili powder. Red chili and chaat masala, breadcrumbs. Mix it well. It's ready. Now we will make a kebab. Coat in corn flour. Then fry in hot oil. Spicy kebab is ready. The buns. Apply green chutney over the buns. Ketchup. Buns that we already made it. Again, ketchup. Cucumber. Spicy bun kebab is ready to eat.